In today's episode, we have thrilling maneuvers, high-speed car chases, hit and run moments, and much more. Buckle up for an exciting ride. The Lamborghini driver executed an illegal U-turn, which he apparently did not notice was in violation of traffic regulations. Consequently, law enforcement officers observed the infraction and promptly initiated pursuit.
Oh no!
On September 10th, 2022, an intoxicated female driver ran a red light, colliding with an SUV carrying a mother and her 2 children. Emergency services, including police and the fire department, arrived at the scene. Fortunately, the occupants of the SUV were unharmed, although they were understandably shaken by the incident. Police located the red Explorer, which had fled the scene, and subsequently apprehended the driver. She was charged with driving under the influence, DUI, hit and run, driving without a license, and driving without insurance. In this situation, the trooper had set the cruise control at 72 miles per hour, while the individual who was pulled over was traveling at over 85 miles per hour in a heavily congested area.
Under 50 or 60, the triple odometer is operating correctly.
That's
It's
correct.
going forward.
And so too is the regular odometer. Right.
Okay, and then you get above the speed, and all of a sudden you can see the triple
Saw the license plate 844, that's state police.
Oh, you know what to do when he gets down the signal,
Really?
bring it back to
He pulled over.
On November 30th, 2022, the trooper observed that the white vehicle was tailgating and briefly activated the emergency lights as a precautionary measure. On July 1st, 2022, while the trooper was patrolling, an accident occurred directly in front of his vehicle.
Oh! Oh my gosh.
On September 6th, 2024, the trooper conducted a traffic stop after noticing that the driver was not wearing a seatbelt. The trooper approached the driver's door, identified himself, and provided an explanation for the stop.
10-4, give me an email address. Send it to me, 88, and I'll get to them. 10-4.
34, Jonesboro 24.
34.
Be at Main and second. 111 Victor Mary Tom. 111 VMT blue Chevy Cobalt.
Yeah.
What's going on, man? You doing all right? Hey, I'm Trooper Henderson, State Police, man. The reason I stopped you weren't wearing your seatbelt, okay?
Yes, sir.
You got your ID with you? You doing all right today?
Yes, sir.
What's up with the gloves, man?
I'm a barber.
Barber, okay. Oh, okay. Get your ID first, and then
I don't have my ID.
As the trooper seated himself in the patrol car to run the information of the suspect identified as Thompson, Thompson shifted his vehicle into drive and began to flee. The trooper promptly activated the emergency lights and siren and initiated a pursuit.
Javon Harris. Okay. I'll be right back with you, all right? Jones Road 1037.
34.
Going through a bank parking lot right here at North 2nd.
North 2nd.
Thompson ran the stop sign at the intersection of South 1st Street and Vine Street and continued southbound at a high rate of speed. Thompson then turned right onto Cherry Street, approaching South 2nd Street.
More. Cherry Street.
Cherry Street.
TV out.
TV on 207.
Don't shoot me, son.
I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I'm gonna shoot you right now. I'm gonna shoot you. Get on the ground.
Please, look.
Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
Please,
Put your hands behind you.
Okay.
Get on the ground.
Okay.
Chest on the ground. Chest on the ground.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me, sir.
Cherry.
Please, please, sir.
I got him on the ground. He's face down. I got him at gunpoint.
Look, this one. It's not. Sir,
Get on the ground. I will shoot you. I'm 10-4. I'm waiting on somebody else to go 15. Get down.
hello.
As Thompson attempted to make a right turn onto South 2nd Street, the trooper performed a forcible legal intervention to terminate the pursuit. The trooper then exited his patrol unit, drew his duty weapon, and issued verbal commands to Thompson, instructing him to exit the vehicle and lie on the ground with his arms extended to his sides.
Put my gun in here.
Put your hand behind your back!
My hand.
Put your hand behind your back! You're fine.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Shut up. Shut up. Put your hand behind your back.
OG, help me. Help me, please, OG. OG. Please,
We're
please,
10-4.
Stand up.
OG.
Roll over.
OG.
Roll over.
Help me, OG.
Sit tight.
OG, man.
Say through where he's throwing out.
He didn't throw nothing.
Still got it.
Huh? Is your name really Javon Harris?
While Thompson was on the ground, he clutched a black bag that he refused to release. As the trooper waited for additional units to arrive for assistance with handcuffing Thompson, Thompson stood up and attempted to flee on foot. The trooper pursued him and deployed his CEW, successfully immobilizing Thompson and allowing for his arrest without further incident.
Put him in there for me, please. Actually, I gotta pat him down.
OG. Get around.
All right, man, hop in there. You about got shot in the face, man.
Hey, over 10-11.
You want medics or anything?
No. You need a medic? Oh yeah, do you?
For what? What's wrong with you?
Scared to death? 34 Jonesboro.
You want medics for 345?
He's requesting a medic. I don't know what for. You can go ahead and send me a 1011 as well.
The backpack that Thompson was holding at the time of his arrest was subsequently searched, revealing the following items: one Taurus 9mm handgun, approximately 33.4 grams of suspected marijuana, approximately 1.1 grams of suspected methamphetamine, and cocaine 4.1 grams of suspected Adderall pills, a digital weight scale, $2,240 in cash.
Go ahead. Yeah, what do you think? Okay.
Got half the car covered up. Like his stuff over there.
Is this really Javon Harris? Is that who this is? Okay, y'all don't know him? All right. Where are we at? Cherry and Second?
Thompson's vehicle was towed to the Blytheville Police Department by Reliable Towing and was then confiscated by the 2nd Judicial Drug Task Force.
Who?
Remy is Thompson. 11-9 of what's the year? 97? 99.
Okay, all right. Hey. Just letting you know, I TBI'd a guy, Cherry in Second. He got a gun, a whole bunch of drugs, tried to run, tased him. Yeah, he's in my car. We're searching the car. No, I just stopped a car that was in the area where we were working for DTF.
Thompson was transported to Great River Medical Center by Pafford Ambulance for evaluation. After being cleared with no injuries, he was transported to the Mississippi County Sheriff's Department by TFC Blaine Middlecoff.
Do what? All right, bye.
On June 15th, 2022, the driver engaged in dangerous driving, prompting an immediate pursuit by a police officer.
He's like, yeah, I'm just gonna turn the other way.
The driver ran a red light and was immediately apprehended as a result of their actions.
Ran the red in front of a cop. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him! Get him! Go get him! Yes! Get off my ass, thank you.
On August 6, 2024, the trooper observed a vehicle speeding and promptly initiated a pursuit.
Different date of birth, the same SCI number. It's going to be a failure to appear on property on possession. Right. They're not shown within pickup limit. So when you're ready, please. The VIN returns to 2002 cream Chrysler Series, non-expiring.
12/14/10/24.
12.
271, passing Quebec. Correction, turning on to Quebec. 1037, eastbound. Quebec, it's Arkansas, Adam, X-ray, Adam, 72 boy.
When the driver realized he could not evade capture, he stopped, exited his vehicle, and attempted to flee on foot. However, the officer apprehended him and placed him in handcuffs.
I got one on the ground, one at taser point. God damn, bro. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm there.
What are you doing?
What?
Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand.
God damn, bro. Okay.
Get up.
I'm trying to. Go ahead there.
1015. I'm at Harvard and Southridge. Start me at 1011. Stand right here. You got anything on you?
The trooper caught up with the driver, placed him in handcuffs, and took him into custody.
So, what do you mean you don't think so? You ought to know.
Well, no. I tell you.
What are you running for?
Why'd you pull me over?
Huh?
Why'd you pull me over?
You ain't got insurance, your driver's license suspended? Listen to me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and to have an attorney present before any or during any questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you at government expense. Knowing and understanding your rights, as I have explained them to you, are you willing to answer any questions without a lawyer present?
Harvard, Southridge, Southridge.
What? Do you understand your rights? Okay.
The driver, later identified as Blake Walden, was charged with felony fleeing, evading on foot, possession with intent to deliver, possession of drug paraphernalia, absconding, driving with a suspended license, no insurance.
I didn't think anybody gonna give me like 113 years.
113 years?
130 something. You know, like,
okay.
So much bullshit, man.
Okay.
Basically, hey, it's over with me. You know, I mean, you understand?
I get that, but man, you shouldn't have to do all that.
Well, I didn't have much choice, man. You know what I mean?
You always got a choice, and that was a dumb one.
Hey, man.
Okay? Okay, here, let's go back here. I'm gonna go ahead and put you in my car for now. Do what? Yeah, I got the air on. Okay.
All right, see you. Hey, God damn it. Hey, do me a favor, please. Hey, could you please do me one favor?
Hang on.
I got the gun.
Thank you.
When you get a second,
Sure.
please do me a favor.
Hello, Arkansas, Adam, Union, 47 Adam.
What did you say?
Could you please do me a favor?
What?
I've got a bad the way this thing's twisted.
Okay, I'll put him in the front.
Please, thank you.
Yeah, I'll put him in.